Hello guys, welcome to today's video. What we're doing is cleaning an aftermarket air intake. Let's check out how filthy it is. So here we can see how filthy the air intake is. To clean this, we have to actually disassemble the air intake system so we can properly clean the filter. Okay, now that we have the filter out, we can start the cleaning process. And what we'll be using is a Kleen air filter cleaner. And we're gonna spray the exterior side of the filter as well as the interior portion of the filter. And we're gonna let it soak into the filter for about 10 minutes. Once we have that done, we're gonna start rinsing out the cleaner and making sure none of it stays on the filter. So yeah, let's get into the cleaning process. Okay, so now that we sprayed the inside as well as the exterior with the Kleen Power Clean, we're gonna let it soak in for about 10 minutes and then we're gonna come back and wash out the whole cleaner. The most important part about doing this step is making sure that you wash it from the inside out. That way all the contaminants get washed out instead of getting washed into the filter. Okay, now that we finished rinsing this air intake, we can see how well cleaner actually worked on it. So you can see it completely changed the color. Now the next step is leaving this intake to air dry before we reinstall it into the car. And yeah, I think that's it, right? Alright, yeah, so we're gonna let this air dry before we reinstall it in the car. That's it for today's video. The intake is back in the car. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and like this video. It helps the channel a lot. Stay tuned for more content and see you next time.